Hello everyone, it is HTVRONT. In this video, I want to talk about how to decorate acrylic boards with sublimation paper and HTVRONT auto heat press machine. You can use them to decorate your room, backpack, keys, and pet supplies. And of course, they can be given as gifts. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to sublimate it. We need to prepare these materials and tools before starting the tutorial. HTVRONT sublimation paper. Choose the pattern you like and print according to the size you want to heat press. Acrylic boards of different sizes and shapes. High-temperature gloves and Teflon sheet for heat press to avoid burns and to enrich my acrylic boards. I also prepared some decorations with adhesive vinyl scraps. I'll show you how to use them in a later tutorial. HTVRONT auto heat press machine to heat press our acrylic boards. High-temperature tape is used to secure our sublimation paper. After preparing these, we can start DIY our acrylic boards. First, use high-temperature tape to fix the printed sublimation paper on the acrylic board. Prevent the sublimation paper from moving during the heat pressing process, which may cause ghosting. Adjust the heat pressing temperature to 380 and the time to 45 seconds. Wait for it to cool and then peel off the sublimation paper. Then you get a beautiful acrylic board. Very simple, isn't it? In the same step, let's heat press the remaining 2 small acrylic sheets. You can shorten the time by 5 seconds. In the process of sublimation, we often meet such a situation where there are some white spots. Rinse it with clean water, and the spots will disappear. All acrylic boards are now sublimated, but I also want to enrich it with adhesive vinyl. You can use adhesive vinyl to cut your favorite sentences, names, or patterns for decoration. Then use transfer paper to transfer to acrylic boards. The adhesive vinyl makes these acrylic boards prettier. Acrylic boards of different patterns and shapes made today. Which one do you like best? Leave a message in the comment area. If you like this video, please like and follow us. What other tutorials do you want to see? Leave a message in the comment area. See you in the next video.